Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin EOS. EOS has been rallying really hard from the bottom for EOS that came in at $0.85. EOS is up more than 116%. Should we start buying some EOS right now? EOS is among the huge gainers in the last 24 hours. It's up 19%. Even if you go on the weekly, EOS is among the coins that are still in heavy profit. It's still up more than 39.8% in the last 1 week. In this video, we're looking at why EOS is pumping and when we should look to sell our EOS, looking at EOS performance against Bitcoin, EOS performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at EOS market cap. Currently, it's at $1.7 billion. Can it get to as high as $2.93 billion in this pump? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, EOS is still down 65.9% in the last 1 year, but the good news is that in the last 1 month, EOS is up 55.9%. In the last 1 week alone, it's up 39.8%. And in the last 24 hours at the point of recording this video, EOS is up 19.9%. Should we start buying some EOS right now? It looks as if the rally in the altcoin market was over, but EOS is still standing strong. EOS is still pumping really well. EOS has gone up more than 111% since when it bottomed at $0.85 in June 2015. Should we start accumulating EOS? I'll be showing you guys where EOS is going to face significant resistance on its quest to the upside. This is the highest rally we have seen in EOS since it topped on the 12th of May 2021. EOS has been dumping since then. EOS has been dumping the last 404 days. Is it the start of something new for EOS? How long will it take us to set new all-time highs? Guys, before we start looking at the EOS price chart, you want to know why EOS is pumping? EOS is pumping because EOS is attempting to become a fully decentralized network by following a key hard fork in September. And this is a timeline for how everything will happen. The yield plus launch is imminent, designed to build economic activity on EOS through incentivizing DeFi dApps that increase TVL and generate yield. On the 14th of August, the registration opens. On the 28th of August, reward for TVL begins. So it looks as if a lot of people are buying EOS in anticipation of the fork that will happen on the 21st of September. EOS undergo a hard fork to upgrade to the EOS network to new code base that the EOS Foundation has been meticulously building towards. The consensus upgrade will serve all tiers from B1 and represent the official beginning of the new EOS. So we can see that EOS is going through a rebranding process, and that has led to increase in the price of the token. So at 2 points will EOS be facing significant resistance, also pumping to the upside. Guys, EOS is pumping against Bitcoin and against Ethereum. We're looking at those charts very quickly. But right now, on the dollar pairing, we'll need EOS to clear the $1.9 level with conviction. This has been a very critical level for EOS. Let me put the EOS US dollar price chart on the 3-day time frame so that we can see EOS past history and how the $1.9 level has been a very critical level for EOS. We need EOS to blast through that region, or maybe just to consolidate around this region, maybe for some few days before we start attempting higher prices. But you can see that price has interacted with that $1.9 level quite a number of times when EOS was bottoming right here. When EOS was bottoming right here in 2015, and that was the bottom for EOS in that bear market, we had a relief rally that took EOS from that region till EOS got to $8.3, more than a 300% pump. And guys, even in 2020, the COVID sell-off, guess what? EOS dropped to around that $1.9 region, and from that region, EOS had another rally that took it to as high as $14. More than a 600% pump in EOS. And guess what, guys? As we're dumping in Goblin Town, to Goblin Town in March 2022, guess where EOS bounced through that level. And the fourth time when we came to test that level, what happened? We pierced through it like hot butter through knife. Right now, we're coming back to test that resistance level. Is it going to act as resistance for us, or are we going to consolidate on top of that $1.9 level and start acting as support for us to go to higher prices? Guys, if EOS keep pumping and we consolidate around this $1.9 level, and we're going to continue going to the upside, and that important level you want to see EOS clear with conviction will be the $3.9 level. This has been another critical level for EOS. Price has reacted to that level quite a number of times from 2018 when we were dumping. We first bounced off that level, went to set new all-time highs in the bear market. That's why you want to pay attention to the pump EOS is having right now. In the previous bear market, guys, EOS set a new all-time high in that bear market, because at that time when EOS was pumping, setting new all-time highs in that bear market in 2018, EOS was not dumping for more than 400 days. But right now, this situation is very different. EOS was dumping since the 10th of May 2021. EOS lost more than 94% of its value in 401 days. Is this the start of something new for EOS? Can we see EOS go to set new all-time highs? Probably, but if EOS can pass this $1.9 level and the $3.9 level, which are very, very critical for EOS, if EOS even get rejected off this $3.9 level, EOS will still be up 359% from the bottom. But if you see EOS get above that level, we'll just have one resistance level for us before we get to the high we set in 2021. If by some stroke of luck, guys, we see EOS trading at $8.25 in this relief rally, guys, this will be a very, very good region to start taking some profits in EOS, because at some point in time EOS will have to turn on itself, and from where that $8.25 it means EOS could have risen more than 850%. Guys, that's very, very possible. With EOS incentive program launch, we might see the token go to new highs. Now, if we take a look at EOS performance against Bitcoin, EOS has been going to the moon against Bitcoin since when it bottomed right here against Bitcoin on the 12th of June 2020. We have seen EOS gone up more than 135% against Bitcoin. But guys, if you notice that the last portion of this pump, EOS has basically been in a straight line pumping against Bitcoin. That's not a good sign. Yes, if you're holding EOS right now, you'll be happy. EOS is up more than 68% against Bitcoin in the last 7 days. But you can see that EOS on the RSI is reaching the overbought region, and after some time EOS will have to turn on itself. If we put the EOS Bitcoin price chart on a 3-day time frame to see where EOS is in the grand scheme of things, you can see that even this pump we have right now for EOS just pumped into heavy resistance. EOS pumped to the level where we bottomed in October 2017, and EOS has gotten to a level where we consolidated in January, February 2021 before EOS went on that bull run and will hit significant resistance. So with EOS turn on itself and start dumping to Goblin Town, you can see that the RSI on the 3-day time frame is very overbought for EOS. We might see EOS start dumping to set new lows. So be very careful in this bear market. You want to be taking some profit when everybody's YOLOing in. And guys, most times that people know all this event ahead of time, you want to buy the rumor and you want to sell the news. As the day gets closer for this event, you might see the price of EOS start dumping because a lot of people will be taking profit already. If you take a look at EOS performance against Ethereum, it's similar to its performance against Bitcoin. In the last 7 days, we have seen EOS rally more than 72% against Ethereum. That's good to see, but you want to start thinking about taking some profit, because if you put the EOS Ethereum price chart on a 3-day time frame, guys, you can see that EOS is currently overbought against Ethereum on a 3-day time frame. EOS still has room to run against Ethereum. It can still pump maybe another 20-30% before it hits significant resistance, but you want to be very careful in the bear market. The bear market is very risky for altcoins. Altcoins can pump to the moon, at the same time they can dump to the moon. Guys, let's look at some details about EOS. EOS is currently trading for $1.77 at the point of recording this video. In the last 1 year, EOS has gone as high as $6.39 and as low as $0.82. EOS is ranked 33 on CoinMarketCap. We have over 388,000 people that have EOS on their watch list. EOS has a market cap of $1.7 billion. That's a 20% increase. And we have the fully diluted market cap of EOS coming at $1.87 billion. We have over 1 billion tokens. That's the total supply for EOS, and 998 million of those tokens are in circulation. Where can you get some EOS, and why do you want to hold EOS through the bear market? EOS is an open source blockchain platform that prioritizes high performance, flexibility, security, and developers experience. As a third generation blockchain platform powered by the EOS virtual machine, EOS has an extensive WebAssembly engine for determining execution of the near feeless transaction. Where can you get some EOS? If you want to buy some to hold as EOS is pumping, guys, you can get EOS on Binance, Gate.io, Hubo Global, Qcoin, Coinbase, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Let's take a look at EOS market cap, which currently sits at $1.7 billion. Where will EOS market cap face significant resistance on its quest to the upside around the $1.8 billion region? It's a very critical level. You can see that EOS has gotten rejected off that level. Maybe we'll consolidate around that level before we pump to new highs for EOS market cap. But if we put EOS market cap on a 3-day time frame to see where EOS is in the perspective of things, you can see that EOS market cap have just hit significant resistance. If by some stroke of luck we can see EOS pump out of this level, the next level you want to be seeing EOS market cap blast through will be the $3.6 billion level. This and that level that EOS has reacted to in the past, and you expect EOS market cap to have some reaction to this level in the future. You can see that this level acted as support right here, acted as resistance right here, acted as support right here. So this is a very critical level for EOS market cap. And if we pass that, we see EOS rally really hard in this relief rally, trying to set new all-time highs. And that level you want to look out for is the $5.96 billion level. This will be very critical to tell us whether EOS will set new highs in this bear market, or maybe this is just the relief rally of all relief rallies. Currently, EOS is heading to the overbought region, its RSI. This doesn't mean EOS will start dumping, guys. EOS can actually stay overbought for a very long time, while EOS will be pumping to the moon. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think EOS will continue pumping, or do you think EOS will sell off just like every other altcoin that have been selling off in the last 1 week? Will you be buying some EOS right now, expecting higher prices for EOS, or will you be selling into the pump? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.